Welcome to KitStop's instructional video for our 60-second sound recorder module.
This is a demonstration for the KitStop YouTube channel.
This is an introduction to the KSSM60S module and how to install it into a card. When your module arrives, it should look like this. There are 6 parts to this module. These are the hinge, the entire module itself, a clear plastic insulating leaf, the recording switch, the microphone, and the batteries.
This is the KitStop. This is the KitStop.
How to record your message onto this module. First step, slide the plastic insulating leaf out and allow any pre-recorded message to play to the end. Now press and hold the recording button switch. This should beep once at the start of the recording and then twice at the end of your recording when you release the button. This is a demonstration for recording your own message. You can then test your recording by installing and removing the plastic insulating leaf.
This is a demonstration for recording your own message. This is a demonstration for recording your own message.
The important part in getting your module to work well is the installation and being careful of how you mount it. Here we have a demonstration card which is originally an A4. Just ask us, we'll send you the template of where to fold it. The important part to identifying your hinge is the fold line. Because this is difficult to pick up in the light with clear plastic, please refer to our instruction sheet, which is supplied with the module. You'll see here the anchor and the hinge and the fold line, which is very important for positioning, attaching the actuator to the hinge. Next, we will install the module onto a card as a demonstration. We need to fit the actuator onto the spring leaf. It just takes a little bit of a fiddle, and you'll find
this is a demonstration for recording your own message.
practice positioning.
This is a demonstration.
Working reliably.
This is a demonstration for recording your own message.
Having identified the position, I like to just mark where I'm going to reinsert the module. My intention is to cover these electronics, so the little marks don't worry me too much. Remove the adhesive.
This is a demonstration for recording your own message.
Make sure the actuator is back where it's supposed to be.
This is a demonstration for recording your own message. This is a demonstration for recording your own message.
So this is now working.
This is a demonstration for recording your own message.
My intention was to glue this down, sticky tape, fold it over, and that becomes my card.
This is a demonstration of the KSSM60S mounting and possible card, trifold card.
For pricing, availability and more information on this module or any of our several other recording modules, please visit our website Links to our website and our email contact details are all listed in the description section below this video. Thanks for watching this, and please feel free to visit our website or drop us an email.